The brand new blockbuster is about to release. The red carpet is ready, the stars are arriving, and the audience is buzzing. But this time, the grand premiere isn't happening in Mumbai and not in LA either.
Because today the grand premiere is happening right here at BSSS.
And the name of this mega release, Arohi, is none other than the most awaited blockbuster of the year, Aaro 2025, The Rise of the Dreams.
This year, our theme invites you to step into a cinematic universe where two worlds meet. One, shimmering with the timeless elegance of Hollywood, and the other, pulsing with the vibrant soul of Bollywood.
Welcome to Holly Bolly,
where the sparkle of Hollywood meets the soul of Bollywood. Today, our campus isn't just a campus, Hajra, right? It is like a film set on fire, filled with emotions, elegance. The red carpets are rolled out, the lights are blazing, and the vibes
absolutely electric. From the masala of Mumbai to the magic of LA, we have blended the best: fashion, drama, thrill, and a whole lot of dance breaks. So whether you are Ranbir with a charm, or Zendaya with a grace, SRK with a style, or Tom Holland with a style, you are already the part of cast, the main characters in this blockbuster journey called college life.
Yes, in just a month you all went from asking, "Excuse me, where's the stationery?" to confidently saying, "I'll meet you at the Alumni Theatre." This is a celebration of new beginnings, new friendships, and
new confusions, right? Whether which one is the main gate actually is.
Exactly. That's what college life is all about. Getting lost, messing up, laughing about it, but most importantly, eventually figuring things all out.
From nervous smiles to bold beginnings, from finding new friendships to making iconic memories, today marks the first chapter of your story. And trust me, it's going to be nothing less than a super hit.
As we move further, on behalf of the Bhopal School of Social Sciences, we extend our heartfelt welcome to our distinguished guests and respected judges. Your presence here adds brilliance to this grand celebration. Every successful institution shines under the guidance of its leaders. And today, we are privileged to have with us the pillars of our strength, who guide us and lead us with vision and wisdom.
It is with great honor that we extend a warm welcome to our esteemed principal, Reverend Dr. Father John PJ, whose unwavering guidance continues to shape the path of excellence at BSSS College. Also, we are equally honored to welcome our Vice Principal, Dr. Sister Lima Jacob, our Dean Academics, Reverend Father Joby Panathas. We also take this opportunity to warmly welcome Sister Rohini Jadhav, Coordinator, Education Department. A warm and respectful welcome to our dedicated HODs and faculty members whose unwavering guidance and wisdom continue to shape the minds of students.
Above all, we warmly welcome our freshers, the newest members of the BSSS family, who stand at the threshold of an exciting journey ahead. This day is dedicated to you. Welcome to BSSS. Welcome home. Now we would like to take a moment to introduce to you our honorable judges. Our first judge for today is Dr. Akshay Khare sir, a Bhopal-based model and advocate. He holds a doctorate in constitutional law and serves as Secretary of Council's Cottage Welfare Society. An NLU alumnus and visionary behind Aparadh Mukt Bharat and Pocket Money Quiz initiative, he is a youth icon blending law and fashion. Alongside his legal prominence, ladies and gentlemen, he has earned titles like Mr. Madhya Pradesh 2024 and Zee India's Top Model Season 6. We are honored to have you today with us, sir.
We are also honored to have with us Dr. Nitya Talreja, our second guest, a dynamic woman entrepreneur whose poise, charm, and undying spirit have set new benchmarks in fashion and art jewelry industry. Balancing her enterprise with grace while being a devoted mother of two, she has has given cinema art and fashion jewelry, founded in 2004, a class of its own. Today, cinema stands as a leading and one-stop destination for radiant collections, from royal bridal jewelry to everyday elegance, making every woman feel confident, beautiful, and truly special. Thank you, ma'am, for joining us today.
As you begin this new chapter, remember, you are not just students, you are dreamers, creators, and visionaries of tomorrow. This performance is dedicated to you. So let the rhythm of this dance echo the heartbeat of every dreamer present here, as together we celebrate new beginnings. So without any further delay, let's kick off our Freshers' Day with the very first performance of the event. Dear audience, put your hands together and welcome the dancers with a big round of applause. Now it's our privilege to invite our esteemed principal, Reverend Dr. Father John PJ, to address the gathering. His visionary leadership and constant guidance inspire us and lead this institution towards greater excellence.
Good to see you, so many of you. Our guests today, we have two honorable judges, Dr. Nitya Talreja, you're welcome, and Dr. Akshay Khare is an advocate, a Supreme Court advocate, and also I'm told he was Mr. MP. It's great. rare combination of a model and advocate. Sister Lima and Father Jomi, staff members, my dear freshers. I was so delighted to see you all coming right from 8:30. You're all full of dreams. इसलिए इधर लिखा गया है rise to dreams, full of dreams, enthusiasm, willingness to work. And when you really and truly dream, you become what you dream. You achieve what you dream. That's why we are given the name RO. We have made the students, the pass outs, to realize their dreams. Dr. Nitya told me, Father, it is so renowned a college and I am so happy to be here. Why it is renowned? Why such an unusual rush when people are looking out, hunting for admissions? Just because we make your aspirations come true. We make your future. The placements, the slides that runs through in our display boards showcase what BSSS is all about. Only a disciplined mind can achieve or rise to live up to their dreams. And therefore, we do stand. We don't shy away. We are not scared of. We are not afraid about. But we want to train and make you big guns, big shots, worth of the present times. May God bless the entire team who are working out for today's program, all the participants of the different programs, and also the ramp walk, and all of you students for having come over here. Keep up and live up to your dreams. God bless you.
पिक्चर शुरू हो रही है और अब स्टेज पर एंट्री लेने वाली है हमारी ग्लैम divas।
अरे अरे अवर, तुमने मुझे बुलाया क्या?
नहीं सौम्य, ऐसे क्यों लग रहा है तुम्हें?
अरे वाह अवर, तुम अनाउंस तो ऐसे करेंगे जैसे मैं हीरो और तुम हीरो।
हीरो तो मैं हूँ, पर तुम बॉलीवुड वाली, खैर आगे नहीं बोलूंगा। और हाँ, सामने वाली ऑडियंस हमारी फुल ऑफ शो।
हीरो और तुम, अगर तुम नाम ऑफ करोगे ना तो हीरो का गोविंदा ज्यादा लगोगे।
गोविंदा? सौम्या, मेरे बारे में इतना मत सोचो, मैं दिल में आता हूँ, समझ में नहीं।
चलो चलो, इतना भी ऑफ स्क्रिप्ट नहीं जाते हैं, वरना ऑडियंस तुम्हें सच में हीरो समझ लेगी।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, ऑफ स्क्रिप्ट नहीं जाऊंगा, बट सौम्या अगर मैंने रैंप वॉक करी ना तो एक ही सवाल गूंजेगा, पलट पलट। अरे पलट ना।
पलटेंगे ना, पर तुम्हारे लिए नहीं, ऑफ कोर्स हमारे फ्रेशर्स के लिए, क्योंकि आज स्पॉटलाइट उनके लिए है, हमारे लिए नहीं।
बिल्कुल सही कहा, क्योंकि अब स्टेज पर असली हीरोइन, असली सुपरस्टार्स आने वाली है।
तो बुला ले क्या बोलो मैं?
बिना किसी देरी के।
So let's call upon the stage all our Param Sundaris, because this round walk will carry style, confidence and attitude. Of course, वो दिखाना हम लड़कियों का काम है।
So ladies and gentlemen, fasten your seat belt क्योंकि ग्लैमर एक्सप्रेस आने वाली है।
So now I would like to call upon the stage our Guriya from chess number 1 to 61, जो आज इस स्टेज पर अपना जलवा बिखेरने वाली हैं। So can we have a huge round of applause for our Guriya?
Let's begin the round walk.
Guys, तालियां नहीं रुकनी चाहिए।
The show is start now.
ना लाओ की कमी है, ना स्टाइल, एक तो परफेक्ट।
the Bengali looks and the one. Can we have a huge round of applause, please? What a style, what a confidence. Simple but beautiful. Guys, तालियां नहीं रुकनी चाहिए. Where's the energy? Wow, what a walk, what a confidence.
Can we have a huge round of applause?
The divas are truly owning the stage. Wow, what a style, what a confidence.
ये rap box सबको याद रहेगी कौन? Ever stylish कौन? Ever iconic?
Such a charisma and the charm they're making their own. Wow, what an attitude, what a style.
Every step makes the stage on fire.
Wow, what a grace, what a charm.
A true blend of Hollywood and Bollywood.
Okay, so now we will begin with the second stage of the girls' round walk. What a charm, what a grace. तालियां नहीं रुकनी चाहिए.
सब लोग अपनी एनर्जी दिखाओ. कहाँ है फ्रेशर्स एनर्जी?
What a beauty and what a dance. This is what we call as confidence. Isn't it, Avan?
Absolutely right, Soumya.
Oh my God, this is called as a true copy of Deepika Padukone from Om Shanti Om. Simple and sweet. What a confidence to carry.
Can we have a huge round of applause for Deepika Padukone from Halal Mastani?
This is what is called as a true masterpiece of his craft.
वो कहते हैं ना हॉलीवुड के शान और बॉलीवुड का स्वैग.
तो इसका कारण है on this stage. Oh my God, this is called as a true depiction of the Bollywood. Queen from Bhool Bhulaiya. Wow. That's true Marathi to
से कम नहीं है।
वो कहते हैं ना कि एक लुक से जो स्पॉटलाइट छीन ले, उसकी कीमत तुम क्या जानो अवध बाबू।
Exactly.
अवध, इस मौके पर ना मुझे एक शायरी याद आ रही है।
इरशाद इरशाद।
चलती है जब वो,
वाह 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 वाह।
अरे बोलने तो दे यार।
बोलो ना।
चलती है जब वो तो हवा भी जाती है, हर अदा में एक नई कहानी बन जाती है। जहाँ भी वो अपनी मुस्कान बिखरा देती है, वहाँ महफिल अपने आप ही सज जाती है।
वाह वाह वाह, क्या बात है। तो गाइस, इसी के साथ विदाउट एनी फर्दर ड्यू लेट्स बिगिन टू द नेक्स्ट जर्नी। वो कहते हैं ना, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त।
So ladies and gentlemen, fasten your seatbelts as something new is about to come shortly. तब तक के लिए नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल और आदाब, क्योंकि फिर मुलाकात होगी आप सबसे। वो कहते हैं ना, हम हैं राही प्यार के, फिर मिलेंगे
चलते चलते।
Dance is not just movement. It has been an expression of culture, devotion and grace. As we welcome the new dreamers into the BSSS family, we now present an enchanting semi-classical dance performance. Semi-classical dance is where tradition meets creativity, where the discipline of classical art blends seamlessly with the freedom of expressions. Through every gesture, every rhythm, and every graceful step, this performance reflects harmony, beauty, and timeless spirit of Indian culture. May its elegance touch your hearts as we honor the past and celebrate the future together. So let's cheer loudly as we invite our wonderful dancers to take over the stage.
You're glowing, your color and fractured light. You can't help but shine. And I know that you carry the world on your back. But look at you tonight. The lights, your face, your eyes, exploding like fireworks in the sky.
What a mesmerizing performance.
बैक स्टेज ढूंढ रही थी, तुम यहाँ पे क्या कर रही हो?
जेशा, मैं यहाँ रैंप वॉक करने आई हूँ।
नहीं मानवी, ये फ्रेशर्स की रैंप वॉक है, हम सेकेंड ईयर में आ चुके हैं।
तुम्हें तो पता है ना मेरे साथ ट्रेजेडी हो गई थी। मैं लेट एडमिशन हूँ, मुझे तो रैंप वॉक करने का मौका मिला ही नहीं, तो मैंने सोचा यार मैं भी कर लूँ।
कोई बात नहीं मानवी, तू आज भी मत कर, आज मेरे साथ इनको करने दे। Okay guys, let's begin with round walk round 2. This is the moment where our boys will present their style, confidence and personality on stage. Let's begin with the round. सलमान में एक शायरी कर लेते हैं इनके रैंप वॉक से पहले।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, तो अर्ज किया है, फूल है गुलाब का, नशा है।
मानवी, तुम ऑफ स्क्रिप्ट जा रही हो, तुम्हें पता है ना?
माफी चाहूंगी। तो
Our college is full of talent. Isn't it, audience?
That's an excellent start. The confidence to walk is clear.
The attitude makes the walk unforgettable. Such grace and confidence, absolute breathtaking.
reminds us that while times may change, the rhythm of joy, friendship, and togetherness always remains the same.
So get ready to tap your feet and clap along us, as our performers are already there to set the stage on fire with their retro moves, bringing a splash of color, nostalgia, and celebration to the special day.
the moment we have all been waiting for. The heartbeat of today's celebration, the ultimate showstopper of Freshers 2025 is finally here.
Oh, come on, Rana. Don't keep the suspense going for too long. Our audience is already ready to jump out of their seats and dance.
Alright then, get ready BSSS family, because what's coming next isn't just a performance. It's a storm of rhythm, energy and magic.
Yes, this is not just a dance. It's a grand celebration of finale that will echo in your memories forever.
Lights, music, action. And now, the stars of today step onto the stage ready to set this floor on fire with their moves.
So BSS family, hold your breath, feel the vibe and let your hearts beat to the rhythm, because this is going to be unforgettable.
Presenting to you the grand finale of Freshers 2025.
Wow, this is what we call cherry on top. The finale performance was nothing short of electrifying blend of energy, passion and flawless synchronization. Every move carried emotion, every beat echoed celebration, and together it created magic on the stage. Truly, our dancers gave us a finale to remember, one that will stay in hearts long after the lights fade.
Every blockbuster deserves a memorable ending. And what a spectacular journey RO 2025 has been. From dazzling performances to heartfelt moments. Today, our freshers have truly set the screen on fire. Indeed, Hajra, but just like every film rolls its credit with applause, it's now time for us to honor the shining stars who made today extraordinary. Ladies and gentlemen, RO 2025 isn't just about music or dance. It's about flavors, fun, and memory too. A quick shout out to our platinum sponsor, Equanta, which is situated in Bhopal. Equanta is led by Priyank Soni sir, a 4-time CAT 100 percentiler, which is India's fastest growing CAT and MBA prep institute, helping thousands achieve their B school dreams. Can we have a huge round of applause for our esteemed judges?
Absolutely over the stage.
Wow, our judges have truly set the stage on fire. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir. We kindly request you to please stay on the stage as we are about to proceed with the awards.
So here are some results. The title Early Bird began to be won. So it is a female from BA first year, Abir Amir. Is he here? Yeah, Abir. You made it. We have a face of the crowd. Everyone is the face. And we had a tough time to judge who the face is. We have one from the female side, girl side, that is Mehreen from BCom Economics and Ghasi from BCA. There's a boy, yeah. Ghasi, congratulations to you for being the best face of the crowd. You both did well. Best dress is from the ramp walk. We have chest number 46. Who is 46? Oh. And from boys' side, it is chest number 31. Miss Fresher and Mr. Fresher, the final ones. Let them take the prizes away and then we will announce. Mr. Fresher 2025, congratulations to you. Chest number 31, well done. Miss Fresher, chest number? 5. Yes, chest number 5. Congratulations to you, Sanaya. Congratulations to you. You You have not only handful, lap full of prizes awaiting. Besides for you, Miss Fresher 2025, Shania, congratulations to you. You are crowned as the beauty queen of today. There's something more. Yes, another prize from another sponsor, and a third also gift from another sponsor. Full of prizes. Congratulations to you, Shania. Wonderful, well done. And the Mr. Fresher is chest number 14. Anshuman Chauhan. Congratulations to you, Anshuman. You really and truly deserve today's title. You're dressed well. And your answer was also very emotional, touchy. Though you lost your father, we will not let you feel the absence of your father in DSSS. Well done. Anshuman, congratulations to you. Give him also a big round of applause, boys and girls. He deserves. Wonderful. You look elegant, Anshuman. Yes, there's a badge. And another bag full of gifts, surprises by sponsors. I think from Samsung. And you can feed everyone of your class. Very well done. Congratulations to young Anshuman. Please you also go for a photograph. Shania.
I request all the winners to please come up on the stage for a group photograph.
It is wisely said, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of dreams. On behalf of the Department of Computer Science and Applications, it is my privilege to deliver the vote of thanks for today's wonderful celebration of our freshers, ROO 2025, the Rise to Dreams. I, Ashish Jain, in charge of the Freshers Committee, along with my co-in charge, Divya Tripathi, extend the warmest greetings to you all, my dear freshers. By choosing BSSS, you have chosen a platform where dreams turns into goals and goals into achievements. Today is not just an event, it's a beginning of a journey filled with learning, growth and lifelong memories. First and foremost, I express my deepest sense of gratitude to our esteemed judges, Dr. Nitya Talreja and Dr. Akshay Khare, for sparing their precious time and gracing this occasion. Your presence has enriched our event and inspired our students. Thank you. My special thanks to our esteemed principal, Dr. Father John Vijay, our vice principal, Sister Lima Jacob, Dean Academics, Reverend Father Jomi Panitas, Reverend Sister Rohini Jadhav, Coordinator, Education Department, our HOD Swati Sharma ma'am, along with all the respected HODs of different departments, faculty members and staff. Your constant support, guidance and encouragement have made every initiative of ours meaningful and impactful. I extend a heartfelt appreciation to all the participants and performers. You are the soul of this event. The energy, creativity, and talent you displayed truly captured the spirit of RO. Events like this don't just happen. They are made possible by the dedication of many. My sincere gratitude to the cultural committee, stage management, technical team, discipline committee, decoration team, cyber club volunteers, Spartans, and our wonderful anchors who kept the event alive with their charm and enthusiasm. We are also thankful to our sponsors, iQuanta Education and Bandhan Cards for their generous support, and to all our food stall vendors who ensured that the celebration was not just about flavors, it was about festivity. This vote of thanks would be incomplete without acknowledging the hard work of my own extended family, the Department of Computer Science and Applications. Your untiring efforts, teamwork, and dedication have been the true backbone of this celebration. And finally, my heartfelt thanks to you, our freshers. Your enthusiasm, discipline, vibrant participation have made this event truly memorable. Remember, this is just a beginning. So keep alive the passion you step into BSSS. From the bottom of my heart, I once again welcome you all to the BSSS family. Let us continue to rise together, dream together, and achieve together. Thank you. God bless you all.